BA Education Semester 6 students, English medium students, paper Statistics in Education, MCQ Part 6. In this part, I have covered from question number 111 till the end, that is 128. Question number 111 to 128. This is the sixth part for this paper, Statistics in Education. Now let us start. Curve shown below belongs to which type of skewness? This curve represents the negative skewness. In part 5, I have explained the positive skewness. Next question. So part option C is correct. Skewness is represented by which letter or notation? So correct option is D, SK. Pick out the correct equation or formula of skewness. SK is equal to 3 within bracket mean minus median divided by sigma. Question number 114. In case of positive skewness, mean lies in which side of the medium? Skewness, mean lies in which side of the median? The answer is right side of the median. Mean lies to the right side of the median. From this diagram, mean lies in the right side of the median. Again, question number 15. In case of negative skewness, mean does lie in which side of the median? The answer is left side of the median, and in this diagram it is clear. Mean lies to the left side of the median. Question number 116. When the maximum scores are existing towards the right side of the curve and in the left side of the curve, the scores are keeping on decreasing, then this type of skewness is known as negative skewness. When the maximum scores are existing towards the right side, in this diagram, maximum scores are lying in the right side and the frequency is keeping on decreasing towards the left side, then this type of skewness is called negative skewness. So option A is correct. Write the correct mathematical equation formula to get the percentage of scores or numbers of scores are existing between the two given points. The correct formula is y is equal to n over sigma within square root 2n dash e raised to the power minus x square divided by 2 sigma square. Here x is equal to deviation from mean, y is called height of the curve on x-axis, n is the number of cases, n dash is equal to constant, value of n dash is equal to 3.1416. N dash is also known as ratio of diameter and circumference of a circle. N dash is also called, or it is shown by pi. Here there is a circle. This AB is called diameter, AOB, and let A, X, B, Y, this is called the circumference. So the ratio of diameter to that of the circumference is called pi. It is a mathematical constant. E is also a constant. The value of E is equal to 2.7183, and base of logarithm in Naperian system, logarithm. When the maximum scores are existing towards left side of the curve and in the right side of the curve the scores are keeping on decreasing, then this type of skewness is called positive skewness. And let us see in the diagram. when the maximum scores are lying towards the left side, and in the right side the frequencies are keeping on decreasing, then this type of skewness is called positive skewness. Question number 119. Statistics are numerical statements of facts in any department of inquiry placed in relation to each other. The statement is given by Brawley. So the correct option is B. Again, next question is based upon the statement, and find out the statement who has given this statement. Statistics in the branch of scientific methodology, it deals with the collection, classification, description and interpretation of data obtained by conduct of surveys and experiments. Its essential purpose is to describe and draw inferences about the numerical properties of population. The statement is given by Ferguson. Question number 121. Again, based on the statement, statistics is the science which deals with the method of collecting, classifying, presenting, comparing and interpreting numerical data collected to throw some light of any sphere of inquiry. The statement is given by Seligman. How many types of skewness? So the correct answer is two types of skewness, positive skewness and negative skewness. So option B is correct. Next question. A distribution is said to be skewed when the mean and the median fall at different points in the distribution, and the balance or center of gravity is shifted to one side or the other, to left or right. This statement is given by H.E. Garrett. Positive skewness is seen at that time when test is tough. When the test is prepared and the test is tough, then it has been observed that positive skewness is observed. Negative skewness is usually observed when the test is very easy. Then negative skewness is seen. Some important figures related to normal probability curve here I am showing you. This is a normal probability curve starting from minus 3 sigma to plus 3 sigma, and at the middle point M is lying. So from this figure it is very clear, between plus 1 sigma to minus 1 sigma the scores are existing 68.26%. Between plus 2 sigma minus 2 sigma the total scores are existing are 95.44%. And in the normal probability curve the scores lying between 3 sigma to minus 3 sigma are about 99.72%. Now, from this figure, again it is very clear that here I am showing you that minus 1 sigma to plus 1 sigma, the total scores are lying 68.26%, and on the other hand, between minus 1 sigma to mean, these scores are only 34.13%. Again, between mean and plus 1 sigma, 34.13%. So, if in this case, if it is to be asked that find out the scores lying between M and plus 1 sigma, then you can get the value from this figure. Again, between minus 2 sigma plus 2 sigma the scores are 95.44%. Okay, and between mean and plus 2 sigma the exactly value is half of this 95.44%, and plus 1 sigma to 1 sigma is about 13.459%. So between mean and plus 2 sigma is simply add these two values, 34.13% and 13.59%. So here I have written percentage cases existing between mean and plus 1 sigma is equal to 34.13%. Mean and minus 1 sigma is equal to 34.13%. Between plus 1 sigma to plus 2 sigma, 13.59%. Between minus 1 sigma to minus 2 sigma, again 13.59%. Percentage cases existing between plus 2 sigma to plus 3 sigma is equal to 2.14%. Between minus 2 sigma to minus 3 sigma is equal to 2.14%. And the last question, it might be asked, if the question is to be twisted, then between mean and plus 2 sigma, this is the mean and plus 2 sigma. So 34.13% plus 13.59% is equal to 47.72%. Between mean and plus 3 sigma, 34.13%, 13.59% and 2.14%. Sum up all these three gives us 49.86%. Next point, between mean and minus 2 sigma is equal to 34.13% plus 13.59% gives us 47.72%. And scores are existing between mean and minus 3 sigma, 34.13% plus 13.59% plus 2.14%. This gives us 49.86%. So this diagram is very important regarding getting the scores in terms of area. So this is all about this question paper, and the question paper is Statistics in Education, which is the paper for in BA Education 6th semester, and I have covered in this question paper about 6 parts. I have covered 6 parts and 128 question for English medium students. For Hindi medium students, I have covered it in 8 parts. So for 8 parts for Hindi medium student and 6 parts for English medium student. In this way, I have covered totally approximately 300 MCQs for this paper only. So thank you. Subscribe the channel, press the bell icon and like the videos and share the videos with your friends.